What's up guys, it's Ethan here, and today we got ourselves a nice beautiful Porsche in front of us. This thing is 13 years old, and if you see, the headlights are pretty rough condition right now, and we're about to see how we can restore these and hopefully bring them back to life. We're going to start off today with 1,000 grit sandpaper. We're going to sand it down and work our way up all the way to 2,000 grit sandpaper. And then at the end of that, we're going to do a cut and a polish and see how they turn out. So here we go. It's going pretty well so far. We're moving on to 1,500 grit sandpaper. Just keeping it wet. That's one of the most important things to do here, is keeping it wet. Alright guys, we just got finished doing 1,500 grit sandpaper. We're about to hit it with 2,000. As you can see, it looks a little hazy, but that's okay. That's what it's supposed to look like. After this, we're going to start off by we're going to cut it and then polish it, and it should look much better than it is now. And there you have it, the finished final product of this headlight restoration. This is a 13-year-old car, like I said, and these headlights look like they're brand new. So if you want to get your headlights looking brand new like these, then come by today, set up an appointment, and we'll get you hooked up at 2202 West Adams Avenue.